Hello kids, in the last class we had learned how to draw the parrot, and today we will do the coloring of the parrot. So what I normally do is I first do the outline and then I have made some leaves everywhere on the paper around the parrot. So you can make these leaves wherever you feel like, to fill in the page. So you can make some more leaves, you can make less leaves and branches as you wish. Done is I've completed the outline. I'm going to erase the extra. Now let's start the coloring. So for the parrot, of course, I'm going to take the light green. Now this I will make as a colorful, more like a macaw. So we're going to use some other colors as well, but for the body I am using light green color. And what I'm doing is I'm applying a heavy pressure as in I'm pressing the color very tightly onto the paper and then coloring it. And as always, remember our rule, which is one pressure and one direction while coloring. So I'm using heavy pressure everywhere and I am coloring in one direction so that my coloring comes out very neat and clean. Okay, so once I'm done with the light green, next I'm taking the yellow color. Okay, so I'm going to color the wings in yellow at some places. Again, heavy pressure. And this near the eye area I'm doing yellow. Next color that I'm taking is red. Once the red is done, the third color that I'm going to use is dark blue. Okay. And for the foot, I'm using yellow again. Okay, so we're done with the coloring of the parrot. Now what we will do is we will do some coloring on the big branch on which the parrot is sitting. So I'm using brown and I'm using medium pressure, not very light, not very heavy pressure. So I'm going to take my black color and do some shading here. So I'm just doing a little shading, light pressure. I'm just coloring, adding some black color here on the lower part of the branch. Okay, and even under the parrot, because there will be a shadow that will be created right under the parrot, so it gives a very nice look. Now for the branches we are doing brown and different shades of green I will use for the leaves. So with light pressure, I am coloring this background in pink. Always remember one direction and one pressure everywhere.